Good evening. So, I'm going to do a quick little video because I am in the mood for dessert. I need something sweet. So, I actually found a recipe for Disneyland's Dole Whip. Belle, you're drinking very loudly. She drinks so loud. So, anyway, I'm going to attempt to recreate that. So, here's what it said. It said 16 ounces of frozen pineapple. So I got pineapple, it's crushed. It's not too frozen, but I think it'll do. So 16 ounces of frozen pineapple, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, which literally if you buy one of those 20-ounce pineapple cans, it should work. And then it just says a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. I just got the regular store brand double vanilla ice cream, so that's what I'm going to use. So let's try it here. I might, oh shoot, that's not gonna work. Maybe this will work. So I'm gonna, oh my gosh, what's going on here? Why is ice cream so hard? Holy crap. Yeah, okay, big scoop. Pineapple, or not pineapple, but ice cream. It's gonna go right in there. I think I might want to put some more in. And okay, ice cream. Ice cream is in. Next, I'm going to do my pineapple. Can't really see this, but ice cream, pineapple. Don't think I'm going to be able to get all this in. Actually, I'm going to throw the juice in as well. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. I'm trying to get it all on that side. There we go. I don't think I'm going to be able to get all this in, but we shall try. You can only try, right? Only try. If I do, it'll be amazing. If I don't, which I don't think I'm going to, okay. So that's what it looks like. Pineapple, ice cream. Top in, because I don't have a blender, so I'm using a little bullet. So this is gonna be very loud. I'm sorry. Oh, that's not working. Go on. Lynn. Lynn. There we go. Nope. I think it needs more juice. Okay, so I'm thinking that 16 ounces of pineapple is a lot. Might be a little too much. But 4 ounces of pineapple juice might just work. So this is literally like a pineapple ice cream milkshake, but it's the Dole Whip from Disneyland. So let's try this again. Doesn't seem to be blending. It's not blending. Smells good. Okay. So I'm going to try some more pineapple juice. I don't think this recipe is correct. Ooh, now it's really soft. Okay, I need to get all of this mixed together. Ooh, that's good. I can't wait to taste it. If I can get it mixed. Kind of see it? There. Okay. Sorry for all the loud noise, but we're trying something. Okay, that looks about right. Okay, so then it says to put it in a piping bag with a little cross, and you're supposed to pipe it. That's how thick it's supposed to be. I do not have a piping bag, so I'm just going to put it. That's not gonna fit. Oh well, I'm just gonna put it in here. And, ooh, it does fit. Voila. You have Disneyland Dole Whip. That's good. That's dangerous. It's sweet. Oh, that's so good. That is really, ooh, hang on. I got stuff in my mustache. Let me get myself cleaned up here. Okay, that is really good. So, if you want some pineapple Dole Whip, you can make it yourself. 1 big scoop of ice cream. I'm going to say, instead of 16 ounces, because I didn't use all of the pineapple that's supposed to be frozen. So I didn't use it all. So I'm going to say maybe 8 ounces of pineapple. I don't know. Okay. I don't know how much I put in. It said 2 cups, actually. So 2 cups is 16 ounces. So I'm going to say probably a cup of pineapple, 6 ounces of pineapple juice, a big scoop of ice cream, and then you blend it together. So, that is that. Try it. Let me know if you did it right. Let me know if you like it. So yes, comment below. Make sure to subscribe. I always like subscribers. Hit the little bell. And with that, I am off until tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be going on a hike, or I will be making margaritas. I think I might be making margaritas tomorrow. So, stay tuned. With that, I'm off. Have a good evening and enjoy your Dole Whip. Cheers.